Namaste, my name is Sanjot Tatke, and I've been associated with Startup Program and YHS Hindi program since 2011. And every year we do two programs, in one in Franklin, New Jersey, and other in Pennsylvania. Uh, and this is my first year doing online program, so I'm very happy to doing programs with your kids. We'll have two classes this year. One is for beginner and one is intermediate. I'll be taking intermediate class. Anjuji and Akilaji are our beginner class teacher, and Ashokji is our program director. I'll give one by one. We'll introduce ourselves. So, Ashokji, आप बताइए.
Yeah, my name is Ashok Ojha. I'm the director of this program. I'm also happen to be the president of Yuva Hindi Sansthan. And we are in existence since 2010 as a registered non-profit group. More I can talk later. Most of the information I have shared with all the parents and also on our website 21stcentury.com, which Lakshmi or you can run it later. So I welcome all the parents. I will talk later on about talk to you directly about it. So basically, this is my introduction, and we have been conducting the program under federal guidelines that is called a Star Talk. And this year we are moving towards our online Hindi teaching. Thank you.
Anji. Namaste, I'm Anju Rai, and I've been associated with StarTalk for last 7 years teaching Hindi, and this is the second year with Ashok ji, Sanjot ji, and Akhila ji. And I did last year with Franklin the Hindi StarTalk program.
Hello everyone, good morning. Thanks for coming on a Saturday morning. I'm a secretary of Yuva Hindi Sansthan, and I'm a cultural coordinator for this program. But basically, this time it won't be a lot of culture, but it will be a lot of music, dance, and we will show some actions and have fun with your kids. And they will learn Hindi in this 2 weeks, at least speaking. They will definitely enjoy this class, I hope so. And looking forward to meeting all the kids here. Thank you so much.
So, although we are doing this online program, but we have following all the principles and of ACTFL and Startup. We've been doing for so many years. So we are basically we are just following the same structure and same fundamentals, same standards for Hindi learning. So maybe this is new for you, but this is our curriculum, part of our curriculum. So novice program goals can do means what students can do in Hindi language. That's why the term comes can do. So students can do, like students can describe. I can means I is a student. Student can describe major steps to prepare for trip to India. Uh, it's a goal for a novice. They will start about talking about themselves, like what they like, what they don't like about themselves, introducing themselves, because that is the first step we do. So in person, when we do camp, we do a lot of in interpersonal activities where kids get to do role plays, where like one can be a officer in immigration officer and one can be a passenger, and they will exchange the information. My name is Sanjot Tatke, this is my passport, my age is this, and I would like to go to Delhi or whatever. So these everything they do in Hindi. I'm sure some returning students are here, so and parents, you know what we are talking about. So same concept we are trying to apply here. So first they will talk about themselves, and then second day we're gonna do family. So they will talk about their family members, what activities they like to do with their family. Third day we're gonna talk about connecting to our overarching theme, and then we will talk about weather and map of India. And fourth and fifth day we're gonna talk about one city. We're gonna show the monuments and how to move around in that city, and typical food or of that region. And obviously students are going to connect to themselves what they among those food item or what they like and what they dislike. Same thing with the places which we have shown, what place they like more, and where they want to go. This is just to give you brief idea. So from 9 to 9:50 we will introduce everyday's topic, and some activities, interpretive activities we will do with them, and we'll take a small break from 9:50 to 10 o'clock, and 10 to 10:30 we will be doing interpersonal activities. Either we are doing with one-on-one with kids, or kids will we will give them prop to talk to each other on certain topics. And presentation activities we will give as a homework, because we don't have enough time to work with, but we will give them guidelines how to do it. It's not a major like homework, as in don't kids should not be get scared. It will be fun. Maybe if, draw a family tree and label each person, each name in Hindi. So of course we have older kids who know already, who are returning student, they know Google. We'll use a lot of Google slides and Google documents, so they already know how typing in Hindi. But if some kids don't know, we are there to help them. So every day they'll get small homework. Program theme is my virtual trip to India, improve speaking, and this is our goal. And then so our theme of program theme is, Anjuji, would you like to talk about this?
Yes. Hello again. And mostly, as Sanjotji mentioned already, few things, and we'll be doing the sessions in Zoom. And during Zoom, we'll be using PowerPoints, Google Classroom. We'll send the code before the camp starts, the Google Classroom, so that the kids can join. And they can post their homework, and whatever extra work they want to post, they can do it on Google Classroom. And we'll be using Google Slides. Kids will be playing games on GameKit related to the camp, the virtual trip to India, GameKit, Book Creator, and Idea Board. Idea Board is the thing where kids can write in Hindi, or if they cannot, we can whatever they say, we will write it for them, and everyone can see. And there's Kahoot, there's Quizlet, and I'm sure kids know about all these games. Anyway, they use it in the school all the time. And if they don't, we will help them to create their accounts, and they can just play games at home, practice the words, whatever we are using during the 2 hours. They will practice, and if they need help, definitely we are there. Thank you.
So this is all about our program. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask at this point. Ashokji, if we are missing something, we missed out something, please add here.
Yeah, before Namaste Sabko, good morning to you all. Before we let them ask questions, I think I would like to add, you have highlighted the major parts of the program, but few things more social kind I would like to say. What we have, I would like to be done is to recognize our students here. Would like to do that, Sanjotji and Anjuji, because many kids are here. So you can let them know who is the teacher, and then I will address to the parents for 3 minutes, and then I will open the forum for questions.
I see a lot of students are here. Do you want to introduce? Do you want to say your name and say hello? Vansh, Vidhi, you can start.
Nice. नमस्ते, मेरे नाम विधि एरी है और मेरा जन्मदिन अक्टूबर 10, 2010 है.
Wow, I think Vidhi deserves a clapping for from all of us.
नमस्ते,
जोर से बोलो थोड़ा.
Namaste, मेरा नाम सानवी है and I'm 9 years old.
Oh, namaste, Sanvi.
पूजा जी कहाँ हैं? Can I say hello to you?
हेलो अशोक जी, आप कैसे हो आज?
बहुत अच्छा है. पूजा खुराना to the team, to the whole group.
2 minutes and let them complete.
Let us start with Nishka.
मेरा नाम निष्का है and I'm looking forward to this.
She is already exposed to the language. Nishka किसके साथ है? कौन है उसका टीचर?
सर वो ऑनलाइन हिंदी प्रीप्ले में हम हिंदी क्लास शुरू कर दिया है. अभी 3 हफ्ते से क्लास जा रही है. 45 मिनट्स का क्लास है. अभी थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ है बस. तो हमने सोचा थोड़ा अगर उसको इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया ये क्लास के लिए तो हेल्पफुल होगा.
Who is the next? Avni ji.
मेरा नाम शारव है.
Very impressive. Kids can talk in Hindi. They really want to learn. It's so heartening to me. So, Suhani, would you want to talk in Hindi or English? It's up to you.
मेरा नाम सुहानी.
मेरा नाम सुहानी है and I'm 10 years old.
Welcome, Suhani.
मेरा नाम पूजिता है.
मेरा नाम अभिनव है. मैं 11
साल का हूँ. 11 साल का हूँ.
So you know that.
मैं
Sorry.
Good to see you again, Pujita and Abhinav. Pujita and Abhinav are our returning students. They have done a few camps with us in past. Good to see you.
Both are very familiar with our program, and they have been to our face-to-face programs, and they do a lot. And they are son and daughter of Babu. Babu is our executive member also. He's a little shy and IT guy, so he's good enough on computer, not he.
मेरा नाम कैथरीन है.
अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छे.
Welcome.
I just wanted to say my 2 children couldn't be here, but they're very excited to do this program for the first time.
Okay.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम माया है.
माया, हाँ, वो ध्यान आ गया. मम्मी नहीं आपकी है?
है.
नमस्ते जी.
नमस्ते.
अच्छा.
मेरा नाम नाइशा है. मैं 7 साल की हूँ.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. बहुत खुशी हुई आपका परिचय सुन के. आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय योर पर्सन.
Hi, my name is Aliyah and I'm 7 years old.
Okay,
Welcome.
let me take care of you.
मेरा नाम Alicia है.
And then say your birthday.
My birthday is March 21. I don't know how to say it in Hindi.
कोई बात नहीं.
We'll do it on the first day.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम भारत है. मेरा नाम माया है. And my birthday is March 5th, 2010.
So आपका स्वागत है माया जी.
मेरा नाम वंश है. मैं 12 साल के हूँ. मेरा जन्मदिन नवंबर 3 है.
बहुत अच्छा, स्वागत है.
मेरा नाम फूल है. My birthday is on February 17th. And today's holiday is on my birthday is President's Day.
Oh.
Oh, good.
That holiday honors to George Washington and Abraham Lincoln.
अरे वाह.
If you have any questions, please ask at this point. But before that, I want to request all the parents that we have sent Hindi vowel and consonant chart to you. If not, then we'll send you again. Please review with. We still have 10 days. It will be really helpful. Like at least if they know slight introduction of A, I, E, our vowels and consonants. If they don't know already, that will be really helpful.
That is on the website also. Lakshmi, you want
Yes.
to run the website quickly?
Actually, I have
Yes,
sent the
yes.
website on our in this chat box. A link of the website I can send again.
Yeah.
I have shared the
एक
website.
क्वेश्चन था आपके लिए, क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ
हाँ
मैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल.
तो आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछना था कि जो बच्चे मतलब जो छोटे हैं 1st से 4th ग्रेडर्स, उनके लिए भी हम कॉन्सोनेंट्स और सब उनको आ ई और क ख का इंट्रोडक्शन दें, या उनके लिए इतना जरूरी नहीं है? क्योंकि मैंने ये पहले भी पूछना था, मैं वही वेट कर रही थी.
हेल्पफुल होगा, क्योंकि जैसे मान लीजिए मैंने एज अ होमवर्क उसको दिया है कि फैमिली चार्ट बनाओ या फिर फैमिली ट्री बनाओ, तो शी विल राइट माता पिता, राइट. तो इट इज हेल्पफुल अगर वो सीख पाती है 10 दिन, क्योंकि हमारे ऑनलाइन में इतना समय नहीं है हमारे पास कि 2 घंटे में हम उनको वॉवल कॉन्सोनेंट भी कराए और बात करना भी सिखाएं, यू नो. तो एज ए सेड हमारा फोकस मेनली तो उनका बातचीत पे रहेगा. हाँ, तो हेल्पफुल होगा उनके लिए अगर वो आप शुरू कर दें उनको इंट्रोड्यूस करना. आप लोग देख सकते हैं वेबसाइट हमारी.
इस पे वो है अल्फाबेट्स का भी है. What I want to mention, दिव्या जी आपने ये सवाल उठाया, but I would like to say a little bit about the website. If you go on our online Hindi page, you see all the day 1, day 2, day 3. So there we are going to upload the daily activities, pictures. And let me remind you, I send you a consent form. That is a legal requirement because minor kids pictures, we must have your consent, your approval to take their pictures. And pictures are required only while they are doing activities. So please send me your consent form. Without that, and because we are online, we don't use it for no reason. We only use it on website and only wherever the program information is required to be shared, like with Star Talk, like with promoting with future parents, just like that. Second thing I wanted to say about the alphabet. So ये एक session है. I hope you will agree with us that if we start teaching writing alphabet, it will take too much time. So we have decided not to teach. But if they learn it at home, like अब घ कैसे लिखना है, घ और र. So when in the class they are teaching about the house, they can talk ये मेरा घर है. अगर बच्चों ने घ और र जानते हैं लिखना और उसको पहचानते हैं, they can understand easily. यही एक कारण. That is the only reason why we are insisting for practicing the alphabet. That is the writing. So in literacy work, of course they talk, but when they talk, the second thing comes about read. So when there is a text, they should be able to read. How can they read? Only if they know those words, those letters in alphabets, and then they can write. So the criteria goes like this. First, they can talk, especially heritage kids can talk faster, jaldi सीख सकते हैं. Then they can write, like if there is a photo of a ghar, they can write ghar, ya mera ghar hai, like that. So reading. So speaking, reading, writing, these are the 3 levels literacy knowledge is required. That is why there is no, if they can, I know 2 weeks time is very limited, and I hope that you will be with us for in future program. And last thing I want to add is that we are planning, Sanjot ji se meri baat hui hai, we are planning to have it year-round online program. So from September, we'll work out once a week, like we'll have like once a week for 3 months. So that is one time frame, one semester, and we'll see how much we can teach. If the kids have learned already a little bit in this program, they can go forward. So this is our movement from novice, like words and phrases, to go to little bit sentence structure, then series of sentences, then paragraph of sentences. So when I write 10 lines about India, that is a lot of knowledge the kids need to know. That means they are already in advanced, in the intermediate high level. We want to take them there. And let me finish by saying this. If they go to it's called I3 or I4 under the Apple guideline. आपको याद होगा, मैंने Apple बारे में पूछा था. If they can achieve that, then they can go for seal of biliteracy certificate that is given by the school districts. And that is a very new thing. Every state is adopting that. New Jersey is adopted. Pennsylvania, I'm not sure. I don't know about Maryland. So you have to check with your school. But first, the kids should learn and go to I5 level. And we'll know that by taking by giving you the Apple testing. वो बात की बात है. All our kids are new. We are going to work with them to improve and making them very comfortable speaking in Hindi.
बस आप बोल रहे थे कि WhatsApp ग्रुप बनाओगे तो वो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा अगर.
Okay, sure. Okay, so here is what we plan. Like as we said, there will be 2 classes, 4th graders and 1st to 4th graders will be with Anjuji. She will have another email group with parents, and 5th and above grade students will be with me, and I will have a separate parents email address email group, and we will also create a Google folder where whatever they have homework they can submit there, and either if it is a paper pencil homework, then they can take a picture and post it in that, or you can, if it is Google Slides, it is easy to save in Google folder, so that way we'll have it for our reference also. And is there anything, Ashokji, you want me to add?
Yeah, I think Google folder is a good idea. We have done it before.
Yeah.
Google Drive, you can share the email account of Yuva Hindi Sansthan.
But 4th graders onwards, Ashokji, they have their email addresses in the. If parents prefer us to use that email address for homework purpose, we can do that. But I'll communicate with that separately. But we will send you a separate link for our class. There will be 2 different classes. So Anjuji will send you one Zoom link, and I will send you another to my class. And I think you can use same link to log in every day once we have created the group. And if there is any change, we'll let you know.
Can we say that everyone, I'm talking to kids, students, my students, please note, you will be receiving the link. Are we going to send it every day, Sanjotji?
No, same link can be used every time to log in.
So look for your parents' inbox. There will be a link that you click like you came today to log into your classroom. Now there are 2 classes, so there are 2 different links. The beginner class will not see what others are doing, the intermediate. Then likewise intermediates. But
if there are siblings, then use 2 separate devices so that you can use
one computer, or I think rather than iPad, use your computer if you can. If you cannot, use iPad. And
please don't log in with phone because it's not very convenient.
Don't use your phone.
Use laptop, desktop or laptop.
Yeah, so we have to be very, very professional. And when I say professional, means you can do the things easily, because Sanjotji, Anjuji are going to use many pictures, PowerPoints, video clips. This is for your benefit. And 9 o'clock, please get ready 5 minutes before.
So we will start our class link, 8:50, so that you have 10 minutes buffer time to sometime, some technological issues or anything, you cannot hear us, or so that we can start exactly at 9 o'clock. We have very little time frame. So we'll start 8:50, and you can log in at that time.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Thanks once again for coming on a Saturday morning. Very good introduction, kids. Loved your introductions. Love to see you all. And looking forward to our Zoom Hindi classes next Monday. Come on time. And thank you for all the teachers, the full YHS team. Thank you so much for introducing yourself and giving a lot of information. So as said, if you have any other questions, parents or the kids, please send us an email and we will definitely revert back to you. And we will all see you next Monday sharp at 9 o'clock. Come before 5 minutes to 9. And we will have a fun class. Don't worry, kids. We will all enjoy. Take care and be safe, everyone.